Hello all and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, we'll be transforming this old bed into a channel white bed. So stay tuned till the end of the video to see how the transformation goes, and make sure to like the video, comment, because the more you like, the more you comment and share, the more it will be recommended on YouTube. And when it gets recommended, it will be beneficial to us, and we'll be making a lot of videos for you guys and educating you on how to transform these beds, etc. So if you're new in this channel, we usually do transformation videos, makeovers, DIYs and many more. Just click on our channel and you will see the contents that we do in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share. So let's watch the video. And guys, sometimes I get questions about the measurements for these DIYs that I do, but most of the things are like these transformation videos. There is always no any particular measurements for this bed, because each bed has a different measurements and designs. So I usually just get the bed and then measure it and then start from there, because there is no bed that is the same size, that is in terms of height, the designs that we see. Sometimes I do cut the headboards, so you'll find it that the measurements are always not the same. So I hope that I've answered your questions. And before I forget, I also get asked about the tools that I usually use in these DIYs. Mostly I do use simple tools in my DIYs, like the staple gun, a drill, a jigsaw, that is for cutting the pieces of wood, of which for the cutting you can also use a saw to cut your pieces of wood. And if you don't have a drill, you can also use a normal hammer and nails to attach the pieces together. I think that is basically the tools that you need: a cutting tool, a hammer or screw, or anything that we can use to attach the pieces together. And then the staple gun, that is the work, as you can see on the screen, that is the work that I usually use it. And finally, the materials that I use for these DIYs, mostly as you can see on the videos, I usually use a 3mm plywood. I also do use some pieces of wood. You need to have a foam, the fabric that you are going to use, and a black lining that you are going to be using to cover the back of the headboard. You need screws or nails for your DIYs. You need a contact glue, and you need the staples that you are going to be using for the to staple your things on the pieces of wood. You also need the buttons when you are doing tufting, and a lipping tape when you are doing the channel bed. So I think those are the basic materials that you will need. So I hope I've answered all your questions in this video today. So keep watching the video. Don't forget to like it so that you will get recommended on YouTube. That will really boost our content to reach more and more people. So watch till the end and subscribe to our channel. I hope I've not bored you for this explanation, but I had to answer the questions that many of you always ask. The rest of the things, you just watch more and more of our content so that you will get the steps and the processes that I usually follow or do while making these transformation videos.